The Nikon Z6 III that we have here is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and filmmakers who need speed, versatility, and professional-level image quality. Built around an advanced sensor and a Nikon's latest image technology, it delivers stunning detail, impressive dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. Fast continuous shooting and highly responsive autofocus makes it ideal for capturing action, wildlife, sports, portrait, and events with confidence. For video creation, this camera offers advanced recording capabilities, including high-resolution formats, professional codecs, and impressive subject tracking for smooth and reliable results, which I can stand by because I did use it in the past month, and it really does work. The camera also features in-body image stabilization, helping to reduce camera shakes when shooting handheld. With its durable weather seal construction, bright electronic viewfinder, intuitive controls, and excellent ergonomics, the Nikon is a versatile hybrid camera that excels in both photography and video production, in my opinion, making it an outstanding choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike.